Well, welcome to Cayuga Lake, folks. I have never been here before. I've heard about it. I've heard there's alewives in here. I've heard there's Cisco's in here. So we're using the big bait kit. And we're gonna just literally putt right off the boat launch here into probably 50 to 80 feet of water with Livescope XR. And we're gonna try to catch the first fish that I see. We got wind coming hard from the south, so I'm actually gonna run north so I can spin back around and come back with the wind. And we'll see how it goes. First time being here, I'm excited. I tried to make it out here in April, and I got sick that week, and now it's first couple weeks of July. I'm pumped. And I'll do a little video of where I find fish, how I find fish. I did see some boats up north more and a couple coves on the way in, so I might head that way. And they look to be spot locked, so they're not trolling, they're catching fish. Oh, we got a high flyer right there. There's also steelheads and browns in here, all sorts of things that I don't have back home. So I got another one right in front of me here. I'll start recording the screen in a little bit once I get more into like Laker territory. Right now we're just having fun. We're doing Cayuga, which I've always wanted to do since it's been on my bucket list for a while. Same with Ontario, but I couldn't get anybody to come with me to Ontario. There we go. That's more like it. Set the hook to the moon here. Should be my first ever Cayuga Laker. Definitely a Laker. The way that it's dogging me and rolling. Don't think he's gonna run. Sure is trying though. And I am, if I had a better arm, I could throw a ball to shore right here. We're right next to the boat launch. Get a little bit of the blood off. But there's the first one. I don't know how big that is, but going right back in. Super pissed off about it. And usually before I even land that fish, or as soon as I unhook it, that line is going right back down because usually they come in pairs. So, come on, come on. Oh, it's coming back. Small one. He's pissed. He's super pissed. Ruh-roh. He's either big and pissed or he's just pissed. Or he's fouled, I don't know. Get that out of the way. Because now he's not as mad. I don't know if this is a Laker. It's not burping, but it was on the bottom. Just a super feisty one. Just super feisty today. Going back in. And Jake is going back to. Got him, finally. Freaking out. It's been a few hours since I've hooked a fish. Really hope this fish is fair hooked. He seems it. Are you done? What the heck? And a chunky one. Nice, fat, chunky one. First one in a freaking while, folks. Nice, healthy fish. Thin clip. Got him. Got him. Not a very big one, but I got him. He also has not figured out that he's hooked yet. Still a decent one though. Nice cold one going back in. Come on. Oh, got him. There we go. He hasn't really figured out he's hooked yet. He's burping a whole bunch, but he hasn't figured out that he can go down yet. Super pretty fish, going back in. Got him. Oh, and the hook's out. Nice. And chunk right there. Chunky one. Going back in. Oh my goodness. That one came absolutely screaming for this. That water has to be so clear. And that fish is like, what the hell just happened? Ooh. They're a lot more pickier in this lake. I got something up high, don't know where it is. Ooh. That's another rainbow for sure. Crap. Not very big though. Hasn't realized he's hooked yet. I don't want that one to get freaking taken. Could be a laker. The way that it's, ooh, and it's freaking off. These freaking jigs today, they just love them. They just absolutely love them. It's kind of bonkers.
You've got how many chromosomes? 47. 47. Well, it's not the full lot, but you know.
Got it. Finally. Come on, buddy. You gonna run? Go for a run. All right, now he realized he's hooked. Yeah. Just brought me straight back down to 80 feet.
And what?
So he's on bottom. He's got only one choice, but to go out. So, yeah, there he goes. That was weird. Taking me for a ride, Jack. And that rod is just absolutely corked over. That's a big fish. I did not, like I saw it come up earlier and I did not realize how big it is until right now. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet the bump board. That is one fat freaking Laker, my goodness. Just a super fat 30. Oh. Whew. And he bit me. Stop recording 2:05. We got another Laker right underneath us here. I think it's a Laker. Oh crap. Got whatever it is. I think it's a rainbow again. Has not figured out it's hooked. Has do. Oh, that's another Laker. Just a little one though. Just a little one. Just a little guy going back in. All right, that's it for the day, folks. The real winner was the flutter jig. They just absolutely love it. And swim bait worked great this morning. And then flutter jig has absolutely killed it with the steelhead and everything. If you guys want to support the channel, visit benditfishingbiz.com, where you can buy the flutter jigs and the big bait kit. And if you want to learn more about lake trout, either click here or click here, and I'll see you on one of those next videos.